PickPete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pick Tools, how we going today? Hey, did you watch my last unboxing video and assembly video of that bloody disastrous plasma cutter that I had? Well, hopefully guys, this one's going to be a lot better. I'm talking about this one here, guys. Whoa! This machine here was the first machine I've actually brought. It's a dud. The thing doesn't actually run. So it quite surprised me because I've had a really good run of these machines, but it just goes to show you, you've got to be careful what to buy. If you want to see the videos about this machine, I'll put them in the description below and you can make up your own mind, but we didn't actually get to test it because the bloody thing didn't run. Anyway guys, the courier turned up again this morning as per usual. I brought myself a Warfox plasma cutter. Now that's a pretty cool name all in itself, isn't it? So let's do the unboxing, see what we get, make sure all the bits are there, and hopefully I can do a review on this one at a later stage. Same as usual guys, if you like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day in the comments below, and let's rip into it, eh? Yeehaw! So from memory guys, this is about a $225 machine I think. It may be slightly less than that or slightly more, but I buy that many of these bloody things I just can't remember. It's about 220 bucks anyway. So let's make sure we've got all the bits and pieces, because there's going to be nothing worse when you go and open your box, you want to start plasma cutting, and half the stuff's not there. It'll just really annoy you. Anyway, what do we got? Starting to get quite a collection of these now guys. If you watched any of my other videos before, I've reviewed a lot of these machines, and I'll keep reviewing them until there's no more to be reviewed. Right, what do we got? What do we got? Christmas time again. Not really, but anyway. Oh, this looks really good packed, guys. Looks like it's really well packed. Let's have a look. Love opening these boxes. It's really cool, guys. I think it is anyway. Mind you, it doesn't take much to amuse Pete, eh? See, this is real well packed. I mean, this is travel from the other side of the world, so, you know, hopefully it's all in one piece. Looking good already, guys. Really nice colour, eh? Won't lose this in the dark. Right, so what do we got? One plasma cutter. Well packed, like I said. And one big box of bits and pieces. So I'll get rid of that, Pete. Remember guys, if you're ever looking for any of these machines, I can put links in the description for you. I'm always in that much of a hurry to get these bags off, guys. I'll normally rip them or do something silly with them. Chuck that down there, Pete. Not a bad looking machine. What do we got? A Warfox. I reckon that's a pretty cool name, guys. Basically a generic plasma cutter once again. What do we got? We've got 110 240 volt, multi-voltage one. It's a Cut 50 DP. We've got our air gauge in the front, like so. And we've got our amp setting knob here as standard, plus we've also got the extra post time knob, which is all good for when you're cutting on a little compressor and you want to sort of slow the air down, don't want to have so much air coming out of your torch once you've stopped cutting. So this slows down the cooling effect on your consumables. Yeah, nice looking, not beaten up. What do we got in the box, guys? Once again, we've got airline. We've got a debatable looking earth lead, which is the same problem I have with all these plasma cutters. They all seem to have the same earth lead. They're really light. I like to change it, because if you change the earth lead, you can get a bit more grunt out of the machine. Well, that's what I reckon anyway. Looks like about a 3 metre lead. Once again, we've got all the doofers and flop me box to put it together. See, did you notice those technical names there? Doofus and flop me box. We've got some thread seal tape. We've got the snap-on connectors. Mind you, in New Zealand, I think we use different snap-on connectors to you guys in the USA, but same difference, and hose clips and everything there. And it also looks like we've got a couple of sets of consumables, spare sets. We've got the 240 to 110 adapter, which is all good. We don't need it here in New Zealand because we're 240 all the time, but it's all good. We've got a AG60P plasma torch, and it looks like it's about a 5 metre lead, about 15 foot. So that's a lot longer than what you normally get with these cheaper plasma cutters. So let's pull it to bits, guys, and actually have a look at the machine. I was a bit disappointed with that other plasma cutter, guys. Like I said, it was the first plasma cutter that didn't actually work. But you can't win them all the time, I don't suppose. Yeah, this is about 15 foot, guys. And it's a AG60P torch. Can you see that there? These are nice torches. This one here has also got the safety on it, which you might say to yourself, well, what's that got to do with anything, Pete? Because I've had it before where I've had a torch where it hasn't had the safety on it. And I actually picked it up backwards and somehow I started it while the torch head was in my hand, like so. And man, did I burn myself. I'll never do that again. So anyway, standard torch, looks good. We've got some operating instructions, which is even better. And I wonder if they're in English. What do you reckon? I've had them before where they're only written in Chinese. Can you believe that? Yes, English. Isn't that good? And another thing I like about this too, it's in a little plastic cover, which is all good. Normally they just throw the thing in and yeah, it gets all ripped and all sorts of stuff. You know, you can't read. Normally it rips on the bit that you will need to read. It's that Murphy's Law again, guys. That guy called Murphy. So what have we got in this box, guys? I reckon I know what it is. It's going to be a water trap. Let's have a look. Yep, not a bad looking water trap. Quite heavy as well. Cast iron in the middle of it, and it's got the little doofer there. See, there's another technical name, guys. The doofer to hold onto the machine. So it looks like we've got everything all set to assemble the thing. And as you notice, well, I don't know if you noticed or not, let's have another look at this machine here, guys. Ooh. See, we're going to have to assemble the water trap here. And because it has the gauge in the front of this machine, like so, we're going to have to attach this to the water trap before we complete the circuit to the air compressor, if you know what I mean. But that's a piece of cake. Anyway, I'll do that in the next video, guys. Piece of cake to do, only take you 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And then we should be away plasma cutting. So guys, all in all, we got everything that we were supposed to get. We'll put the thing together next video, and then we'll do some reviews on the thing. Anyway, if you want to go and have a look for yourself, I'll put some links in the description below. You can go check it out through one of my links if you want. If not, just wait for the other videos and we'll see if we can get this baby to actually cut. Yeehaw! Anyway, guys, same as usual. Like my videos, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. Come say good day at peakstools.com. And we'll see you next time, guys.